Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, today we're making a, I'm working on like a 2D game that I'm currently making. So I can show it. Yeah, so you are like this player guy. And yeah, I'm working on it since like 2 days or 3 days. Yeah. So you can move. And as you can see, physics are not implemented, so this is what we are doing today. And yeah, the rendering architecture is not like an ECS or something. You have like quads, which are like the basic shape to draw in a 2D game. They have a position, a scale, and a color. Yeah, then you have a rotation of and a render level, and a name, and a texture. This is what a quad is. And yeah, obviously you can specify all of this in the constructor. And yeah, I've recently implemented this render level thing, which like if we have the render level of the player at 1, then let's see, the player should be on top of the tree, because the tree render level is 0. And it is perfect. Okay, then we have like a name for the quad to identify it. And for example, here we do a quad reference, which is a reference to the player, which is renderer get quad by name player. So we get the quad with a name player, and then we change the position of it according to the input. Yeah, we could do like for testing, we could do input is key pressed GFW key space. When space is pressed, we do player dot render level is equal to 1 or 2, and then we do this is 0 and this is 1, and player dot render level equal 0, and else if input, yeah, we do key went down. So if key went down, GFW key space and player dot render level equal 2, we set it back to 0, so that we have like a switch. So let's test it. So now it's behind. Okay. Okay. I know why. Because we are only sorting. Oh, that's bad, actually. Because yeah, like we sort the quads by render order with this bubble sort algorithm, and we do that if a new quad is added. That okay? Is the stream online? I hope it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, so obviously we could do, we could just sort every frame, but I think that's not very good for performance. Okay, that worked once. But it doesn't work again. Let's have this log error something. Okay, that should else. So let's do this. Still doesn't work. Key went down. space and render level equals 2. Log info. Okay, dot render level. Let's try that and see what the 0, 2. So why doesn't it trigger? If input key went down, yeah, okay, let's just do this. Render level is equal to 2. And then we have as if key went down, GFW key alt, left alt. Well, let's do left shift. Player render level is equal to 0. So that should work. Why? Okay, let's try something like logging it. So space works. So why doesn't... Oh, did I even press left shift? I don't know, let's try. Ah, I didn't. Okay, now, nice. Okay, so that's good. But let's now... Okay, so I think we could implement something like last render level is equal to render level is equal to 0, and in init last render level is equal to render level. Equal to render level, and then we have like if, or like this, and we have if no, we need a indir and u32 get last render level const return m last render level. Why isn't that working? Did I break something? No. Okay, so if quad.get last render level not equals, oh, that's not even that thing. If s quads at I squads not equal s quads at I dot render level. So if the render level changed, we do sort quads by render order. Yeah. Okay, let's check if that could work. Oh, that works. Okay, very nice. Okay, so let's check log error sorting. Okay, it's sorted twice because we added the things. What? Oh. Okay, doesn't need to sort twice, obviously. Why? Why should I do it twice? That doesn't make any sense. If we do it here, it should not work, I guess. Or should it? I don't know. No. Okay, we could do, if that happens, we do this, this, and continue, and here we do add squads at I dot render. Wait, is the music too loud? I don't know. Oh, fixed. Easy. Okay, but we have a blink. If we don't do this. Okay, this works, but we do an else here, because we don't need to render it twice. Okay, so that works. Let's check like performance by printing out the data time. Okay, now the frame time, and we do data dot data time. .7 seconds. Something printed? Yeah, it does. Huh. Thought like the frame time would. Okay, let's test. Let's test it. Printing the frame time here and checking if something. So engine core, engine root, get instance, get data, data 10. Okay, performs pretty well, let's say. Yeah. Okay, nice. So let's implement physics with Box2D. So for that, let's open up Calma and grab the physics Box2D right there, and we only need, yeah, we need a debug binaries. Yeah, let's copy bin, or is it lib? Ah, it's lib. Alright, I think that's the one I compiled with Clang. Yeah. Okay, we need this, and we need this, and do we need that? Let's check if we, yeah, okay, we need that. Then we need this, and bin. So let's go into vendor, and do Box2D. And bin, let's do debug. And yeah, stop, release. And we can delete that one because we don't have this this configuration. So we don't need the pre-make file, we need the source file. So source. Okay, nice. So now let's yeah, do that. So it's solution here. Yo, Mr. XC, glad to see you here. What's up? Yeah. Box2D bin. Oh, let's call it lib. Let's call it lib. And we have finder Box2D lib slash lib slash configuration slash Box2D. Wanna see a meme? Sure, drop it. And for the linker. Oh, I'm dumb. That's the linking directory. Let's see if the path is correct. Yeah. Okay, so this for the linker, and now for the other guy, the include guy. Solution their project name vendor Box2D include. Nice. Okay, let's test that path as well. Right there. Oh. Did I do something wrong? Solution. Yeah. Nice. In the linker we do Box2D.lib. Nice. Yeah, okay. So now we need some kind of implementation for Box2D. Okay, so let's do this in the renderer. We have render quotes and static void update quotes. And then we have a static void init physics. And right there we have a include Box2D slash Box2D.h, I guess. yeah, init physics and static void terminate physics. Yeah. Does this have like a shutdown method or terminate? No. Okay, let's do that. So void destroy. And destroy just does vertex array delete shade what shader? Shader? S shader? Oh, we don't even have a shader. So texture delete. And yeah, that's kind of it. And we have static void init and static void terminate. Like that. Update quotes. Init physics. Terminate physics. And yeah, then in terminate we just do for auto quad in as quads. We just do quads destroy, and then we do terminate physics. And here we do like what should we delete here in the as quads dot clear and as shader delete. Nice and easy. Remove quad. We need to implement that as well. Let me do a quick search. Remove object from vector C++. By value. Wait, do we use C++20? I think so. Well, so let's use that. Include algorithm. We have that. Okay, so apparently we have a C++20 way. So std erase. Is that even a thing? It is. S quads. Quad. Oh. Seems to work. Now that exists. Nice, okay. So let's implement the physics. And need to quickly look at Kalmar. How I did it. 2D physics with box 2D. Okay, so first we need this. So a struct widget body. We have an enum class body type, which is static and dynamic. Like this. Wait, let me open the chat and this. Yes, okay, like that. Okay, so static and dynamic. Okay, we don't need a equal sign. So yeah, we have that, and then we have a body type. Type is equal to default body type static, and then we have fixed rotation is false, and a void pointer for the runtime physics body is equal to null pointer. And then we have a constructor and a public constructor. Default, and this is also equal to default. Yeah, okay, then we have a struct box collider. We have a GLM2 offset, like the offset of the collider to the actual geometry. Then we have the size of the collider, and then we have a few like physics constants, like for example the density, the friction 0.5, then the restitution, the 0, and the restitution threshold is 0.5, and void runtime physics fixture is this null pointer, and then those guys. Box collider, box collider, box collider. Nice, okay. So I'd say like we don't have an ACS because like that's overkill, I guess, for that game. So let's have a SCD shared pointer, rigid body, rigid body is equal to null pointer. Then we have SCD shared pointer of box collider. Yeah, that needs to be public. Box collider, rigid body 2D, box collider 2D is equal to null pointer. Or let's do this instead. 2D. Nice. 2D, box collider 2D. And let's have those public. So we have that, and then after the color, scale, and rotation, we have bool using physics is equal to true. Let's say. Let me quickly open the chat in another way. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, in init we have bool using physics, and let's drop that down. Yeah. Then we have if using physics rigid body is equal to SCD make shared rigid body 2D, and box collider is SCD make shared box collider 2D. Yeah, in renderer then. Yeah, so here, okay. Init physics does we need a physics word. Do we have one? No, we don't. Karam Hamdallah, what's up? Yeah, glad to finally see you again. yeah, I'm working on a 2D renderer / game, and in OpenGL. Yeah, and I'm trying to implement a physics with Box 2D. Yeah, like obviously, I mean yeah. So finishing series, finishing a series is obviously the goal, but I have like a lot of. I don't have much time in the moment, so yeah, like a few series have to wait, a few just have to wait until they're continued. You know how it goes. Yeah. Okay, so let's have the physics word, and I think it shouldn't be public, and okay, this class is static, and let's have a inline const std shared pointer b2 word. Or let's don't have it as a shared pointer, because if we can't delete it. But we don't even have to delete it, because like it should only be deleted at the end of the application, and it will be, because it's a shared pointer. So that's what the fuck. Get physics word. Okay, it can't be const. Return physics word, or physics word, which is not correct. It's s physics word. Nice. Okay. Then let's have a b2 word game renderer as physics word, and then in init physics s physics word is equal to new b2 word. I mean, as we make shared b2 word. 0 gravity in the x direction, and this earth gravity in the y direction. Okay. Yeah, I love ads. Ah, thanks. Nice. 10 hours. Perfect. I love that. Okay. Yeah, okay, we have created the physics word, and now we do for every quad in our S quads. Now we have to do like a lot of things. Yeah, so we have a b2 body def, which is like the definition of a physics body in box 2D, and then we do body def dot type is equal to quad dot rigid body dot type equal rigid. What the fuck? Rigid. Right. Rigid body 2D. Body type static. So if that thing is static, question mark, we do b2 body type b2 static body, and else we do b2 body type b2 dynamic body. Nice. Okay, body def dot position dot set quad dot position dot x and quad dot position dot y. Body def dot angle is equal to is equal to quad dot rotation. Yeah, okay, so that's the definition of the body. Now we actually need to create the body. Body is s physics word create body with this body that we created. This is a pointer. Then we have body. Set fixed rotation is quad.rigid body fixed rotation, and rigid. Now we do quad dot rigid body runtime physics body is equal to the body, the box2d body. Nice. Okay, now for the box collider, we have a B2 polygon shape. Where is it? Polygon shape. Shape and shape.set as box quad.position.x times quad.scale.x. I don't mean position. I mean quad.box collider size.x, and multiplied by the scale, which means that yeah, the physics body will align perfectly to the entity or the quads, no matter which scale the thing has. Okay, size dot y quad scale dot y. Nice. Okay, now we need a body fixture. B2 body fix or B2 fixture. The def fixture def, and fixture def dot shape is box is shape. Sorry. Fixture def dot density is quad dot box collider density. Fixture def dot friction is quad dot box collider friction. Fixture def dot restitution is quad box collider restitution, and restitution threshold is restitution threshold. Now body create fixture def and this returns a B2 fixture, but I'm confused. Okay, in Kama I seem to not set the runtime physics body of the box collider. Yeah, let's try it without setting and then setting. I have no idea why I have done this. Okay, nice. In update quads, we have a I32 velocity iterations and iterations 6, and I32 position iterations is equal to obviously position. Obviously, we could do that, like have that be. We could have that be, yeah, let's don't worry about that. We could have that be dynamic, like you can change this, and you can also change the gravity. I have that in Kama, but let's don't worry about that because we don't make a real engine. We kind of try to make a game. So physics physics word step. No step, which is like the function which that calculates physics. So engine root get instance get data dot data time velocity iterations, position iterations, and for every quad, for auto quad in S quads. Yeah, we need to retrieve the physics body. So b2 body pointer physics body is equal to b2 body pointer quads dot box collider dot no, not box collider, it's rigid body. Runtime physics body, and then we have a const auto reference position is equal to body physics body gets position, which is like a b2 vec 2 b2 vec 2. Yeah, and then what we do is quad.position.x is equal to position.x, and the same thing with y. And then rotation is equal to body or physics body get angle. Nice, very nice. So in init, let's call init physics. And we don't even need that terminate physics thing. So let's remove it. And did we add init physics? We did. Okay. Yeah, I think now we just need to call update quads as well and start. Okay, obviously a syntax errors as usual. And 44. Yeah, we do float. And let me see the error list. Yeah, that's done. Oh, I know the fix to that. Just need to make that a vector too. Huh? Wait. Shouldn't that work? If you do b2 vec 2 0 do it like that, still won't work. Okay, something with quad. Let's try deleting codes until the error isn't there anymore. Maybe here. Oh god, I hate this. Okay, so let's make that a pointer, null pointer, raw pointer, terminate physics. In terminate we do delete as physics word and as physics word null pointer. E2 word pointer. Still no. Ah, maybe it's because of that shit. It is. So we have init physics. Runtime body is equal to body. I know. We do that. Okay, that's not okay. Init physics should happen. Not here, but let's have a static with physics init false. And if physics init, if not, we do init physics and physics is equal to false. Oh, what is that memory leak? Okay, let's just try calling in physics here and do not have that. And net physics. Okay, physics works. Now let's try positioning the tree like... Okay, that's okay. Let's position it here. Why is that so far away? Let's position it there. Huh? Doesn't even make sense. Okay, let's just not have a tree. Ah, I know why it can't move. But do I? Yeah, so I think the physics is blocking it from moving. But I have no idea. Why the tree won't show up? Huh? What the fuck? What the fuck? Why is 100 the middle? Ah. Okay, so I think okay. So let's have the scale be at 1 and 0f, 1.0f, and the position at 0. And 0f for both of them. Scale is still too big. Let's have this. It's really weird. So engine rules get instance, get data dot display window, get properties dot width, that should be a float, divided by this, and that's the height. That should be the aspect ratio. Okay, so now let's try move all these blocks to be set transform. Okay. So let's do void set linear velocity const and back to velocity. Oh, didn't want to do that. I hate myself. Yeah. Just stop. Okay, so body or box collider offset. No, it's not even box collider, it's the okay, so b to body pointer. Body is equal to rigid body runtime physics body, and we need to convert that to a b to body pointer, and then we do b2 vec b2 vec2 body velocity is equal to body get linear velocity, and then body velocity dot x is equal to velocity dot x and body velocity dot y into velocity dot y, and body set linear velocity no, it's body velocity. Yeah, okay, so let's try. Player dot set linear velocity 0 1 -1 0 1 and -1. I really am doubtful that this will work. Let's try. Nothing works. Perfect. Okay. Body velocity dot x, comma body velocity dot y. Let's check if this does anything. Yeah, it does. Let's have that in render step. Set that here. This is body. Here, physics body. Get linear velocity. Stay 0. Okay. Stay 0. Why? Just why? Don't get why. Before that, maybe. Really doesn't make any sense. Ah, oh my god. Oh. It's a static body. Let's have a inline void set body type I think that yeah, welcome Manuel Retamoso. I think that means hello from Lima, Peru, I guess. Yeah. Greetings from Lima, Peru. Thank you very much. Like, that's really crazy that like people from all around the globe see this. Yeah, greetings back from Germany. Yeah. Thank you, my friend. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. So let's have rigid body type is equal to, and we need a rigid body 2D body type is equal to type. No, we don't return that, it's just, yeah. Okay, we can, like, where do we, yeah, let's have it here. Let's have it, yeah. Rigid body 2D body type is equal to rigid body 2D body type static. Yeah. Rigid body 2D body type and then we have if using physics we do rigid body type. That doesn't make sense that we call it type next to generic, so let's call it body type and call it body type here as well and here as well. Yeah, so we have rigid body 2D body types dynamic RD. Yeah. Okay. So now they are dynamic. Okay, something definitely didn't work. The question is what didn't work. Okay, don't even get to that point. Huh? Can't be. Center? What is that? Compute mass. Where's that card? Before? Where's that card? Don't get it. Okay, yeah, we do that, and let's remove that guy. Init player does this stuff. So that works. Yeah, index buffer stuff works. What was that? Set index buffer. Why should set index buffer not work? I did not. Where's that index buffer? In quote. Okay, init physics phase. I get it. But why? Just because I don't even know where's that function called? It asserts. Okay, so let's try removing that, because that's like the part that we added. Why? Why does this work? So, in general, if we have a dynamic body, this asserts, I would guess. Yes. That's true, and I didn't want to restart it. Okay, so having a dynamic body kind of doesn't work. Doesn't even hit that. Why doesn't it hit that? What the fuck? Ah, now we're in release mode. That's dumb. So let's go into debug mode. Ah! Yeah, that's... I think I have... Create body, set fixed rotation, runtime physics body, shape set as box scale. That's why. B2 fixture. Depth shape is box shape, density is box color density, friction, restitution threshold, and then we create the body. Seems very normal. Let's just comment that out. Maybe it's because of that. It's not. Okay. So on Google they say it has an invalid size. But like the thing is I can't even assert there. No way. Oh, I can. Nice. Size.x. 0. Scale. Size should be 1, I guess. By default. So box collider. Size should be 1. Okay. So now let's test if it still crashes. And it doesn't, but we don't see anything. I hate everything. Ah, God. B2 static body. If using physics. We have this and box collider. Oh no. A rigid body type is equal to body type. No, it's a static. Static we see something, but dynamic we don't. Perfect. Yeah, so let's... obvious. We don't see anything because of gravity, I guess. It just falls way too fast, I guess. Okay, now it's definitely wrong, but still too fast, I'd say. Why is it too fast? Definitely too fast. So where's in renderer? Yeah, here we have a width, just width. That should work. And here we have height. And then we should make those guys bigger. Oh, this one guy. Okay. But with real gravity, where is it? Wait. Let's not worry about that. So, with real gravity, it should be way too fast, and it is. How to projection GLM. Yeah, that's better. So in renderer, let's scrap that for a moment. GLM ortho. Yeah, let's just follow that tutorial. I don't know. It's not even using GLM and 7 years old. But let's don't worry about that for a moment. So engine roots, get data, I don't know, get instance, get data dot display window, get properties dot width divided by 2. We have just the width divided by 2, not the negative width. Divided by 2. Then we have, what's chat doing? Nothing. Okay, then we have negative height. No, first we have positive height. So just copy that and have the height divided by 2, and then we have negative, yeah, like this, divided by 2. And this is obviously a float. There's a float. Oh, and I accidentally did something wrong, so matrix is clear them. Inverse of projection matrix. And then we set projection matrix. And the position should be 0, and let's test that. Come on, everything but a blank screen. Okay, let's have that at 1. That's too tiny. 10. 4, 5. What the fuck? Why? 3? Let's have it static. Yeah. So at 1, why shouldn't that work? Yeah, nice. That's good. And 0.1. Okay. Looks nice. Dynamic. Let's try that. Still way too fast. Is it because of the data time? Okay, static and 1. Is that... That's really bad. Don't like this. It shouldn't be like that. It should be different. No? Should be in pixels, kinda. Then OpenGL just takes the width. Yeah, so let's comment that out. Like that. Comment it out. And then we have net 4 projection matrix is equal to this, and this is that, this is that. Then let's try 100.0, 100.0, 100. Yes, 100.0. Let's try it. Yeah, works perfectly. 0. It's still weird. Why? Man. Just don't be weird. So let's try setting it 1.28 f. And this 7 at 0.72 f. And then we have 100, 100, 100. And if it's 0. Oh, put the scale to 0. Why am I so dumb? 1. And if it's 0.1, Three hundred 0. 300.0. Why? 0, 1. Why is this the same as this? Don't get it. Actually, don't get it. should make sense that if we this is right. If right is this and left is this, it should make sense that everything is very small. But it just isn't. And why? I don't get why. Is it not applying the thing? It is. Model MVP PVM. Let's try this. P V M. Yeah, works perfectly. 0 1 And if we are not taking in that, okay, this completely doesn't work. I don't know why, but it just doesn't work. GLSL model view projection. Okay, let me quickly be right back. Okay, so in here they do projection view model. What? This clearly doesn't work. So let's try it with that. Still doesn't work. In general, it just doesn't work. Okay, so the matrix. Let's have this like that. Oh, it's 1. Okay. Yeah. This kind of works. Let's test this. This works the same way for whatever reason. But let's try that. It should be 1.6 divided by 0.9 or 16 f divided by 9.0 f, 16 divided by 9 and 16 divided by 9. Oh. Still weird. Model made orthographic projection pixel. Size. How did the channel do it? Okay. So projection times view. Zero. This. Zero. This. Negative 1. And view, yes, set to trans date match for 1.0 GLM factory negative 100.0 and 00 like that. GLM inverse projection matrix. Oh no, it's the inverse of the model matrix. Doesn't make sense to inverse. Oh my god, wait. So we have that. Okay, and then we have, don't need that, and the view matrix is the inverse of the transform, and we update the view matrix in here, G the inverse of the view, of the transform and renderer get shader view to view here we only set the projection to that. Let's try. Okay, so we don't view model or you transform. Why is this so hard, man? What am I fucking doing wrong? Don't get it. Yeah, okay, I don't fucking know. Let's try that again. Oh God, I hate this so much. Don't get it. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Screw it. Okay. And shouldn't it be possible to make it smaller and bigger? I mean, come on. Why shouldn't it be? If we have 300 and this is just 300.0f, 300.0f, and this is, I don't know, like 150, and this is 150. Why is it fucking the same? I don't know. Don't get why. It's just ignoring the thing. It just doesn't care. If it would be that, it really doesn't care. And I have no idea why. Let's try one last thing. Just that. Just MVP. Still doesn't care. If we just don't set this. Huh? What the fuck is going on? The shader doesn't even... Okay, it does. But why is this working? Time is obviously... Why? Finally. So if we do that, I have no idea what should happen. Okay, maybe that, I don't know. And then try GLM ortho. Let's try it with that first. Okay. And now let's try GLM ortho. Yeah, this. Again, it doesn't care. And I have no idea why. Again. It's the same if I do that. What the fuck? Now it should show nothing. But it doesn't. The heck? Wow. I have no idea. GLM translate, GLM map 4 1.0, and this is GLM map 3.0. Ah, that's because of the order, I guess. So let's first try this order. Okay, let's try transform, view and projection order. Okay, and let's try it behind. What the fuck is that? Needs to be that. That's the only sensible thing. Is author now cancelled out? Because if it is, makes a whole lot of sense. Obviously, a lot of sense. Ah, you view, obviously. Inverse of transform. And here we set view projection to projection matrix. And if that doesn't work, I'm ending the stream.